So we're gonna go from this to this. What's up guys, NARFALICIOUS here, welcome back to the channel. This time we got some new wheels. WedsSport TC105N, circuit white, 17x9, Continental tires. These things are so sweet. Look at that, circuit white. So fresh, so awesome. We're gonna weigh those, compare them to the stock one, because remember this is a lightweight build. We also got these Hubcentric caps. Hubcentric caps. Usually you get a Hubcentric ring so that the wheel is lined up with your hub, or you get a cap. You only get one or the other usually, but Group S actually developed these. They are on the FT86 Club forums. These are sweet, so sweet. And basically I was looking around, once I got these wheels and tires, I was looking around for the tire shop, so I was basically like this for 2 days, right around like that, with just 4 wheels, 4 tires in my car. So annoying, but I finally got them mounted and balanced. Let's weigh them. Concentric caps on the smaller, more precise scale. 201 grams, not too bad. So this scale that I'm using, I'm just kind of iffy about it because I weighed all 4 of the new wheels and they weighed exactly the same, 40.6 pounds. So what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get on the scale, weigh myself, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pick up a wheel and weigh myself again. And I'm gonna do that with 2 of the new wheels and 2 of the old wheels. I just don't feel like all 4 wheels are exactly 40.6 pounds. I think the scale works best when you have a human on it because it's used to higher weights than just 40 pounds. Myself. $147.4. Alright, let's pick up one of the wheels. Hold it to my side here. $187.8. Second wheel. $187.8. All right, old wheel. $187.8. Old wheel. $187.8. That's crazy. So they're basically about the exact same weight. I'm okay with that. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the caps on unpainted. They do come in an unpainted finish because I just want to see how it fits and everything. But I will eventually get these painted white to match the wheels. I did want you guys to see though the cap as it fits on here. I'll clean it off, but look at how it fits first. It's pretty snug on there. Fits pretty good. Like I can't even pull it off by hand anymore. Yeah, these are pretty good quality. It fits real nicely on that hub. I'm gonna go ahead and clean these off with a wire brush. I'm going to be using the original lug nuts for now, but I'm getting a set of locking lug nuts pretty soon in the next couple days. So just make sure when you're putting on the wheels that you do it in a star pattern when you're putting them on or taking them off. And hand tighten them first, let the tires kiss the ground, and then tighten them a little more, bring it all the way down, then torque it, again in a star pattern. I see a lot of videos of people just taking it around from a circle and putting it back on in a circle. You always want to hand tighten it in a star pattern, tighten it in a star pattern, and then torque it in a star pattern. So a big concern, not sure if you guys can see in there, but on the back here, there's a concern that with these size tires and wheels, it may rub the strut if your alignment's off negative. So I want to be very careful lowering this thing, make sure it's not rubbing. Yeah, I didn't notice my tires wearing unevenly, but if my alignment is off a little bit, you could definitely gash up these tires real fast. Based on what I can feel, the tires are far enough away from the strut that it shouldn't rub. So it's the next day and I got the wheels done last night and it looks dope. Check it out. Check out that fit, man. So what do you guys think? You think it should be lower? You think it's just fine the way it is? I think it looks good. Could be a little bit lower, but I'm pretty happy with the TRD springs for now. So I don't know. Tell me what you think. Alright, that's it for this video. If you like it, please like and subscribe for more FRS content. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace!